Pick a place to go. Here we go. Pick a pup. Great, you're back. Adventure Bay, here we come. You got it. Awesome. Katie's calling. A place to go. Let's go! Katie lost her cat, Callie. Can you find Callie? Look, it's Callie! Aw, nice work, pup! Katie is really happy now that Callie is back. I see a broken lamppost. Almost there. Good work, pup. Choose someone to visit. We're on a roll. You did it, pup. Look, a songbird. Can you fix its house? You can do it, pup! You got it, pup! You did it! Pup-tacular! Oops! A fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it? Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. It's a gift box! Wow! You won all the prizes! If you... Sky! You're the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost. Right on, pup! More pups are waiting to join up and help! Add another to the team to access more prizes! The more pups you add, the more prizes you'll win! Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. PowPatrol, to the lookout! Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right! PowPatrol is on a roll. Chase in! Cluck Cluck, run amok! Tap on the screen to move Chase around the field. When Chase gets close, the chickens will move away from it. Get them to move back into their coop. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Great work, pups! Farmer Yumi will be happy.